Hi there, it's Cobus here again with Artemis Under the Hood. In this episode, I briefly want to look at the inbox feature within Artemis. Right, so obviously with this Artemis Under the Hood series, we're looking at specific elements within Artemis that's really important and noteworthy. So you might have heard of the process of loop engineering. So loop engineering as a term is like hugely well known of late, and it's really loop engineering is really having a process that runs. So you don't prompt that large language model all the time, but you've got a loop that runs. Loop engineering is part and parcel of any agentic application. But of late, there's been a new term that's called the outer loop. And the outer loop is really when you need to have human intervention or human involvement. And what I love about Artemis as a tool, obviously developed by Chorded AI, is this inbox feature. So under Operate, you find the inbox feature. And what the inbox feature does is whenever the agent hits a point in its process where it should escalate to a human or defer to a human, that lands in the inbox, right? So, it might not always be an error or a problem or an API that's not available. It can be, for instance, someone applying for a credit card, and the agentic application does a credit score and collates all the information, but then you still need a human to review it and sign off. And all of that comes to the inbox, right? So this is a great way of managing work. You can have various integrations, but if you just go here, you have an inbox. There's a whole host of items that's here. You can see that I've got some items that was approved by people, some that was rejected. The inbox items are segmented according to workflows and agents in this instance. And here you can see that these are escalations. It's quite urgent, of high importance, and some of these are overdue. So obviously, this is our dev environment. Many of these are just for testing purposes, or all of them actually. So you can see that this task is still available for everyone to pick up. So I can actually go and I can claim this task, and then this task sits in my queue. I can, you know, find relevant information. I can, give some feedback, and I can resolve this task with my feedback. I thought you've got also escalations. So all of these are of high importance, and also different approvals. If I go back to my agents workflows, I can also create a task manually and assign that. So this is an interesting way of managing the outer loop, having items surface to, knowledge workers, to real people, and they're able to see the tasks, claim them, and a asynchronous message can be sent back to the user. So think of a case where a user applies for a credit card, they fill in the information, and they are told that someone will get back to you within 12 hours with a response. The item pops up, the escalation pops up in the inbox. A knowledge worker takes that escalation, addresses it, and asynchronously, this user via SMS or WhatsApp gets a message and told that the application was approved or rejected for the following reasons. So this is a good way of involving the human in the loop and handling knowledge-intensive tasks, as I said, the outer loop, where you need to involve a human. Thank you so much.